The thing that I really took away from it was that I had a passion for it and that I loved it so much. And this was something that I wasn't going to get bored doing because every day was different. And I've learned that with other opportunities working on the range too, that every day is different and that you're actively working to make the land healthier. And that really kind of solidified that I have a passion for it and that I can do something.
Hi, my name is Brooke Staten. I'm from Oldsburg, Kansas, and I'm currently majoring in rangeland management online currently for my gen eds through Shattern State College. So my ag teacher actually told me about the youth range school. I think it was March of my junior year, and it was actually like kind of the last chance for me to go to this event. And you know, he told me a little bit about what it was. So he explained that, you know, if I'm really passionate about rangeland, I want to learn more. To check it out, and then he was actually able to get a hold of our county conservation district, and they actually sponsored my way to go to this event. So I was really excited. I really didn't know what to expect, but it turned out to be a really great event. The entire energy, the entire time I was there was just energetic, ready to go, ready to learn. All of my fellow students were also in that boat of we want to learn, we want to you know, advocate, we want to be a part of it. And all of the counselors and the professors that were there, they were all also, let's get to work. It was a little bit intimidating at first, but it was such a great experience because there was a lot of fellowship in it. There was a lot of team building, as well as competition. It was a really good way to build your competition, but also make a lot of friends. You know, learning this stuff is still just as important if you live in, you know, the suburbs with monoculture, fescue grass. Knowing about range health is vital to the survival and conservation of the land. When you can learn and arm yourself with the knowledge, then you can still do your part to work on conserving these lands.